Breaks during the school day aren't just downtime. The research shows that well-timed breaks can increase student productivity, creativity, and social skills. In fact, a groundbreaking 2012 study using brain scans revealed that the brain isn't actually at rest when we take breaks. Instead, it's in default mode, a state where the brain works on other tasks crucial to learning, like making sense of complex information, consolidating memories, and finding novel connections. Without breaks, we simply don't learn as well. So, make them frequent. Breaks allow students of all ages to regain focus and are especially important for very young students. One study showed that for elementary kids, several 10-minute lessons were far more effective than fewer 30-minute ones. Plan for repeated pauses throughout the day, fewer as kids get older, and give students time to process their learning. Make them active. Integrating physical activity into your breaks can boost moods, reboot motivation, and improve cognitive functioning. If you can, make time in the day for several quick exercise or movement breaks to help students reset. Make them social. Breaks don't have to be solitary or structured. Giving students time to interact, for example during an unstructured recess or a planned game, can improve crucial social skills like conflict resolution, collaboration, and group problem solving. Make them creative. Breaks allow kids to use their imagination. Research shows that unstructured play stimulates curiosity and creative thinking. A bonus, the exercise kids get during recess boosts neural connectivity and promotes growth in the hippocampus, the center of learning and memory.